In this video, I am going to show you how to verify your passports on Ryanair app. So keep in mind that this is possible only for eligible passengers and routes. Ryanair passport verification happens during online check-in only. So depending on your nationality and destination, the app may ask you to verify your passport, visa, residence permit, or more than one document. So what you'll have to do first is just go and open the Ryanair application. Once you do so, you can go here and look for your booking. You can either find this on the home screen and click on booking, and you'll find an example your bookings here. If you booked as a guest, instead of logging into your app, you'll have to click on choose as a guest example, and you'll be able to find your booking using two things: your reservation number and your email address. And this is, of course, to retrieve one booking. If you have a group booking, you'll have to choose the group booking section, and you'll have to choose the reservation number and basically enter the first passenger name, last name, and date of birth, and you'll have to keep adding passengers to find the whole booking. So once you find this as an example, you will be able to do the check-in option or start the check-in verification. The check-in you will find this also at the bottom section, so you can click on it to find any booking that you are eligible to check in. As I said, this is only possible for eligible passengers and routes, not everyone. So you will have to go to check-in if you find an eligible booking. So for check-in, first of all, you'll have to see an option, or you'll find an option that says start verification. You can just go and click on it and click on continue. And of course, the Ryanair app will ask you to scan your passport. You'll have to follow the instructions probably shown on the application. And when scanning, make sure there is enough lights, keep the passport flat, make sure all passport information is visible, avoid reflection or shadows, and hold your phone steady. So continue once the app has successfully captured your passport, and you can scan any other required documents as well. You will have to wait for basically the app or for the results after submitting your documents. You'll have to wait for Ryanair to check it. You might receive one of the results like documents verified, which means verification was successful, documents rejected, which means the document is invalid, isn't supported, or a scan error, which is Ryanair couldn't properly process the scan. If it says documents verified, you can continue your check-in and get your boarding pass. But if you didn't, you'll have to go and do it on the airports itself. So that's how you basically verify your passport on the Ryanair app. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.